What are you doing? Milton. 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 Milton, sit. Milton. Sit. What are you doing? Sit. I ain't got nothing. What are you doing? Milton. Sit down. There's some buried treasure somewhere that we don't know about, because boy, Milton, sit. I'm not even gonna say good boy. Golly, what are you on this morning? Good morning, guys. I am sitting down at my desk doing some work for my brother. I've become the de facto business manager for basically all of my siblings' businesses, but in particular for my brother's trucking business. So like I'm sending off rate confirmations and sending invoices and filling out authority packets and all these things that I didn't really know about up until a couple of months ago, but it's been really fun to learn and to help him. But while I'm doing this, I'm having my morning snack. So I have my almonds right here. Then I have my cello wisps. Once again, the same way I've started out every morning for the past few months. So I'm gonna eat this. I'm going to see what work needs to be done, and then it'll be time for the live. Let's talk about how tired we are.
No, I'm not tired at all.
You're not tired at all? We just finished a 3.5 mile walk.
Hey.
We're so close to being done with the hashtag WACFAM June Jumpstart Challenge. That was our second to last walk.
Sorry.
Tomorrow will be our last walk to
Yes,
end the challenge. It'll be 75 miles in the month of June. Woo! Shout out to Rashana, aka Chocolate City, for suggesting the challenge.
You kicked so much butt.
You kicked so much butt
I'm so
today.
impressed with you.
I'm so impressed with these arms.
Oh,
Oh yeah, look at that. Look how he rolled up his t-shirt. You know what you're doing rolling that stuff up?
Because it's too hot out.
It is. It's very hot and like humid. So yeah.
I didn't
Okay.
have my tank top on.
Okay. Yeah. Well, you made your own tank top.
Exactly.
Looking all good. Ooh wee. Okay. Well, I've decided that since like we just got in and I am hot, instead of having my regular coffee, I'm gonna make an iced coffee. Oh, it's gonna be so good. I'll show you guys how I make it. It's super easy.
Well, instead of that, I got my zip fizz.
That's a candle.
Oh, okay. It's in the other room then. I got my zip fizz over there.
Oh, okay. I'll show you the coffee in a minute. We gotta sit down. I'm
I didn't have
tired.
my glasses on. Okay, let me see.
Okay.
Okay,
You
yes,
got that with
you're right.
your
It was
grape
a- it
zip
was a
fizz?
candle.
Yeah, that's a
It
candle.
was a total
My
candle.
sweetheart. I love you.
Yay to the run!
Yay, bye. Okay guys, as you saw, that coffee was super easy to make. I just used about a cup of coffee that I had left over from my cold brew mason jar. It's basically just a big mason jar with a filter where you can pour in some coffee and a ton of water and make cold brew like overnight. You can let it sit on your countertop overnight and it makes large quantities of cold coffee. That works with tea, basically anything in a bag that you want to like make a cold brew version of. You can use that mason jar method. I actually have that linked in my Amazon store. The link is in the description below. You can buy it off Amazon. It was like $20, totally worth it. And then you saw, it's like a hodgepodge of flavors. I have unsweetened vanilla almond milk. I use that hazelnut almond creamer. Then I use some sea salt caramel sweetener, and then I almost forgot to put in the chocolate preferred keto collagen, but I remembered at the last minute. I bet this is gonna be delicious. Oh, I was right, you guys. You can't tell me this ain't like one of them drinks you get from Starbucks. It also kind of reminds me of chocolate milk, which is a score. Whoa! The only bad thing is with cold coffee, you can just chug it. But see, with a hot coffee, you're forced to sip it. But I'm taking this to the dome. I get a brain freeze, but it's totally worth it. Ooh! That is good. Okay, guys. So, as you know, like with all the nonsense going on in the world today, I am not going back to the beauty salon unless it's like to handle some beauty salon business, okay? But I haven't got my hair done in a long time. But that doesn't mean that the show can stop, because you know, with these shaved sides, this takes some maintenance.
Oh my God.
So my husband has gladly taken on the role of barber, and so every couple of weeks he cuts my hair so that I can maintain my fresh look. So, so get you one that can cut your hair. You know what I'm saying? Oh my goodness. So yeah, he's gonna cut my hair, which that also means that I have to do the next most difficult part, which is wash my hair, which just annoys me so
That's the next
bad.
most difficult part.
It is. I hate washing my hair. Just takes so much effort. But so he's gonna do this step 1 of the beautification process, and then after I wash my hair, I'm gonna eat because I am hungry. So
it is eating time.
it is. It is. Oh my gosh! It is chicken taco time. Alright guys, between washing my hair and then getting caught up in some work, it is so much later than I wanted it to be. Like, I wanted to be eating an hour ago, so I am so glad that this taco tray is ready. Look at this. This might be some of my most professional work yet. Look at that. Oh, I gotta take a picture of that. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. Once again, we have lettuce, sour cream, some of that chipotle mayo. We have cheese. Buried under a mountain of cilantro, we have that crock pot chicken, that pollo fuego. I don't know what else is in here, and I do not care. I want to eat some of it. These Outer Aisle Gourmet Crisp. Oh, it's gonna be so good. Oh yeah, some jalapeno, that's what it was. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna go ahead and taste this for you guys, and then I'm gonna mix all of this together and get my entire life, okay? All right, starting with the chicken. Oh my goodness, and some cool lettuce. Oh. Okay. Oh, it's so hot. And I mean, but I'm gonna be honest, this cilantro is delicious. I love the taste of cilantro. This chicken is creamy, and there is like a crazy amount of heat behind it. And then the crunchiness of the lettuce. Look, I'll just go ahead and take a bite right out of the Outer Aisle Gourmet. That's delicious by itself. It's gonna be even better when I make little tacos out of it. Got my guacamole and my pork rinds, like, okay. I'm done. I am tired, I am hungry, and this was worth the wait. Okay, y'all, now I done outdid myself this time. Like, this is basically just chocolate whipped cream with sweetened pieces of chocolate in it. What? So like, I took some sweetener, some cocoa, a 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream, just whipped it up until it turned into a delicious fluffy cloud, and then I just covered it, or I added to it those chocolate pieces that I made, really just melting down some unsweetened baker's chocolate, putting some sweetener in it, and then letting it re-harden. Like, what? Okay, so I'm gonna try this. I can just pick up that piece of chocolate and put some whipped cream on there. Oh my God. What have I done? Oh my God. Like, this is my favorite dessert ever that I've ever made. And it's literally only just chocolate and cream. Oh my gosh. That is just delicious. Now I'm just gonna have some of the whipped cream by itself. Look at that, just chocolate whipped cream. It's so good. It is just sweet and chocolatey and airy, but then a game changer putting that chocolate on there. Like, Definitely feel free to use chocolate chips if that's in your wheelhouse, but it's so easy to just melt down some chocolate and let it freeze again. Like, what? Why have I never done that before? Like, oh my gosh. I'm very happy right now, so I'm gonna enjoy this, and then after that, my eating window will be closed. I got a lot to do today still. I still gotta go to the shop and do some more work, so I got a busy day ahead, but like, I am not thinking about any of that. I am taking a break right now and enjoying this chocolate dream. So that's what I call Richard too, my chocolate dream. But second is this one, definitely this one, so. Okay, come on, chocolate dream.
Excuse me.
This is my number one chocolate dream right there. I love you.
How was the thing?
Babe, it is so good. You just want a little bite. You see, you never eat the whole. Why would he only leave that much on there? Why wouldn't you just take the whole? Why wouldn't he just take the whole? No, that doesn't mean you can't. I gave you a tasting portion on the spoon.
Good point.
I love you, my chocolate dream. Okay, everybody, I am at the shop working, and look who I ran into.
What's up, y'all?
No, absolutely not.
TGIM.
Everybody, oh, Monday.
Is it Monday?
Yeah, I was like, golly.
What up, y'all? How y'all doing? I've missed you guys so much. So what are we eating?
Everyone got life on our Motivation
Did
Monday.
they? So, like, get down in the comments right now. Drop a cartwheel emoji if you want to see another Motivation Monday.
I'm officially cutting this footage.
If you are joining us for the lives, I haven't been able to make a live in a while, but on lives over on Watch Autumn, the cartwheel gang is strong, and y'all can get down in the comments and let everybody know how we gets down over on Watch Autumn at 9:30 every morning if you're not watching. But drop a cartwheel if y'all enjoyed that motivation. Turn all the way up. It's going down basement. I want the comments to be a zoo.
Stop shaking it. Earthquake.
I want the comments to be a zoo. Y'all get down there and get,
No, I
and
take
get
it
crazy.
back. Hashtag cartwheel gang is definitely a thing, unfortunately. So
I'm just saying. So I hope you guys loved it. But seriously, on a serious note, I hope it blessed your life. I hope it did something for you. I hope it ignited something, inspired you. That's what we do this for. Like, you guys motivate us. So if we could just give you guys a sampling of the joy.
a twinge of what you provide.
It's just, I mean, there's no way to really compare. All we could do is just use words. Okay. Okay.
And emojis.
And cartwheel emojis, okay? I'll see y'all down in the comments.
Oh my god. Oh my god. You put a cartwheel emoji in the comments, you're getting modded. Okay guys, I feel like my hair's been like 9 different styles today. That's what happens like on a wash day. It's like I have to comb it out, and then I have to let it air dry, and then I have to figure out what I want to do with it. Like, I'm probably going to take it down right after I shoot this video. Like, who am I kidding? I am calling it an evening. I just got back from the shop. I have a Sprite Zero here. Like, today's been a great day. Like, woo, that taco bowl. And, oh, that fluff. Like, I literally had to call my mama and tell her, like, guess what I just made? And, like, blew both of our minds all over again. You know what I'm saying? Like, that is definitely, like, gonna remain. What? I mean, who needs a keto bar when you can basically make your own chocolate ice cream at home? Like, oh my gosh, that was amazing. Like, I am happy. I am rested. I'm about to take more of a rest, play some computer games, watch some television. I think we are starting Ozark tonight. Yeah, so I've already seen like the first couple episodes, but that was like 3 years ago, so we're starting from scratch. So we're gonna watch some TV. I'm gonna relax. Today has been a great day. I hope you can say the same. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, Watch Autumn Keto. I make meal preps on Mondays, what I eat Wednesdays, and Freestyle Friday videos. You can also find me on Instagram, Facebook, and Patreon at Watch Autumn Keto. Thanks, and I'll see you next week.